Contractors, I'm assuming you have a website, but is your website bringing you booked jobs? That's the key. So you can have a pretty website, but if it doesn't book you jobs, then you've got an issue. So this might sound familiar to you. You get like new visitors that come to your website. So in your Google Analytics or your Google Search Console, you can see visitors there. They might stay for a minute, read a little bit, have questions, get confused. Then they leave without contacting you. New marketing, wasted dollars. So you might be buying Google ads, you might be buying Facebook ads, and you get them to your place, your website, but the website doesn't convert, right? Well, that's kind of like the old way. The good news is there is a better way that you can get your website to convert. The costly problem that every contractor faces, people come to your website, they leave without converting, or you miss opportunities because someone's not there to be able to handle that inquiry 24/7 because people don't just want to reach out between 8 and 5. Your marketing budget, if you don't take care of this, you're wasting big marketing dollars if you're spending money. And you've got basically poor lead generation. So you've got really nothing coming in. So the bottom line is every visitor that leaves your website without converting represents lost revenue. In the contracting business, that could be mean losing $500, $5,000, $50,000, depending on it. I've seen leads come through for some of our clients, and it's $50,000 and $60,000 for a renovation lead. So the whole idea here is to transform visitors into quality leads. So using technology, smart chat widgets that work 24/7 to convert web traffic into your sales pipeline is huge. So the better way basically as a visitor arrives at your website, questions arise. They use the chat widget, which would engage them. The chat widget then qualifies the lead. If the lead meets certain criteria that we've set, then it gets an appointment booked, and then it gets dropped into your sales pipeline, and you wake up in the morning and you've got a new lead that you get to reach out to. So basically it's instant engagement, it's automatic lead qualification, it's 24/7 appointment booking, and then we automate the follow-ups. This is about stop the bleed, stop losing the conversions on your website. So if people do get there, they don't convert because you don't have tools and technology in place to make that happen. So what I want to quickly show you is our AI employee. I encourage you to come to ai-employee.ca, and you can just kind of watch this video. It's a minute long. And it gives you some different examples here of how our voice AI can work and also how our conversation AI works. So can you imagine if you miss a phone call, we have automatic missed call text back, and it actually texts back and engages that inquiry or that prospect. So there's a lot of cool things that we can do by adding a few of these AI tools for functionality to convert more leads quicker, bringing you in more money. So our AI assistant in CRM is $397 per month. And all it takes is one deal per month to pay for this. Clearly not even one deal for some contractors, but this is part of it. So you can actually test our voice demo. You can actually call this demo line. Nobody, like I'm not going to follow you up. This is just for you to test it. Okay. And if you want a personalized demo, so you have a plumbing company and you want to insert your plumbing company's name and insert the challenge you're dealing with, go ahead and use this one here. This is a personalized one where it'll demo your business, and you tell it you want it to book more appointments, and you watch how or listen to how the AI agent handles that. So again, I wanted to show you this because you probably have a website that doesn't convert and you need tools to convert that traffic to make more money. That's all about this: instant engagement, automatic lead qualification, 24/7 booking, and automated follow-up. So once you do get the lead, automated appointment reminders and or automated know me, like me, trust me content gets emailed to this prospect, and over time you're on top of mind to them. Okay. Again, my name is Paul Myers. I'm with PM Consulting and the Contractor Success System. I'll show you that quickly here so you can. So this is the Contractor Success System. If you're a contractor or home service pro, I would strongly suggest downloading this free contractor marketing guide. 60 pages, a ton of content on there. And if you go through this will show you what we do. It's probably the best all-in-one sales and marketing platform that I've ever seen. And it's what we call a done-for-you marketing engine. We do all the setup. We do all the heavy lifting. You enjoy the rewards. Okay? Again, Paul Myers, PM Consulting. This video will be on YouTube. So do me a favor. Hit that like button. Share this. Comment on it. And if you can, subscribe. It goes a long way. Thank you.